Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am Tori and today I'll be showing you how to create a 4-loop bow. You want to ensure that you are using a wired ribbon, and first you want to go ahead, fold the ribbon in half just to create a loop. Depending on how big you want it to be, that's how you will create the size. And then you'll do the same on the other side of the ribbon. You can fold it in half just to ensure that it is matching on both sides, just like you're seeing. Once you've created your bow, you're gonna take the tail and loop it again to create a bow on the other side. And bring it to the center and do the same, create another bow on the other side. Once that's done, you're gonna smooch or bring the ribbon towards the center. Bring the centers together, gather it a little bit. So after gathering the center of the bow, you're gonna go ahead, take a zip tie or a floral wire or anything that you have that can tie the bow together. I'm using a floral wire. Just use that tie to secure the center of the bow. Once that's tied, you're gonna go ahead, take the ribbon, the rest of the tail, and cover the center where the zip tie would be. Just gonna wrap it over and then bring it through the middle of the floral wire or zip tie, whatever you're using to secure it. Just take it through the middle, and then you're gonna take that floral wire and tie the back of the bow just to secure that piece that you used to overlap. Now that that's tied, I won't be removing my floral wire. I'll leave the excess to secure my bow on my Christmas tree. You could remove it, but I'm going to use that to secure my bow. Then for the tail, depending on how long you want the tail of your bow to be, you're just gonna go ahead and cut the end to the size or to the length that you want. Once you've decided on the length, you're gonna go ahead, take the excess ribbon and use it, measure it along the ribbon that's already cut to determine the other side of the tail, and then you'll just cut that. You're gonna want to go ahead, flip your bow over. That piece that is not secured, the other part, you're gonna go ahead and take your floral wire and tie that in on the bow. So you could tie twice or 3 times. What I'll do is I tie mine once, and then I'll take the end of my floral wire and bring it through the bow and then tie it once more against the tail of the bow. Now that we have the tail of the bow secured, you're gonna turn it over and just fluff the loops of the bow, just to give it that formation that you want. You're gonna do that on both sides. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, just so you can follow along.